Good day everyone, let's cut this beautiful jacket together. If you are new, please click on the like and subscribe button. God bless you as you do so. First, I started with measuring 3 inches down to the length of the jacket. The length of the jacket is 22 inches. I added 2 inches to it, that's 24 inches. So I measured 3 inches down to the length of the jacket. So from there, I started with measuring my back measurement, which is 16 inches, folded into 2, that's 8 inches. I measured my neck measurement, that's 3 inches. Then I measured my armhole, which is 8 inches. I measured 1 inch on my shoulder to slant it in. So I made use of my French cuff to roll it. I measured my bust measurement, which is 36 inches, divided into 4, that's 9 inches, plus 1 inch allowance, that's 10 inches. I measured my waist measurement, which is 28 inches, divided into 4, that's 7 inches, plus 1 inch allowance. Then I measured my hip measurement, which is 36 inches, divided into 4, that's 9 inches, plus 1 inch allowance. And I made use of my French cuff to roll it. So from there, I confirmed my length. I measured 22 inches for my length, then I added 2 inches for allowance. Then the neck, I measured the depth, that's 2.5 inches for the depth. So I started with cutting it. So yeah, we got what we wanted. Sorry, I forgot to mention it. The 3 inch we measured at the beginning of the cutting is for the folding of the lapel. So let's proceed to the cutting of the back of the jacket. Don't forget, in the video of the jacket we are cutting, remember the back measurement is shorter than the front measurement. So let's cut that. So I placed the front we already worked on the fabric I want to use to cut the back. So remember we measured 3 inches at the beginning of the measurements of the front measurement. So I made sure I excluded that from the measurement of the back. So I measured 1 inch on the shoulder, then I made use of my French cuff to slant it. Then I traced the armhole. I measured 1.5 inches on the neck depth. So I proceeded with cutting it. Remember the back measurement is shorter, so I had to remove the front to be able to measure the back measurement. So I measured 12 inches on the back measurement, then I proceeded to cut it. Then my bust measurement 9 inches, then I cut that. So we have come to the end of the cutting of our beautiful jacket. So in my next video, I'll show you how to sew this beautiful jacket and how to cut the sleeve. I'll show you everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you are new to this channel, please click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.